Our world is changing. The preservation of our environment. Digitization. Intelligent machines. These have always been the secrets of BAUER Compressors. Working with the latest production techniques while developing solutions for the tasks of our time. BAUER is the global market leader in high-pressure technology. It sells more compressors than any other company in the world, from compact portable air compressors up to mega systems for industrial applications and natural gas refueling stations. With a market share of 70%, we lead the market for breathing air used in diving and firefighting applications. We are represented in virtually every area of industry, from medical air to the automotive sector and hydro-turbine control. We fit out oil rigs and provide air supply for ships. Like the pioneering Spirit, the largest working ship in the world. Ultra-sensitive applications in fields such as aerospace and the CERN Nuclear Research Center rely on BAUER technology. We supply CNG to bus fleets worldwide and to entire countries. The roots of our company extend back to the year 1865. Johann Baptist BAUER I took over the smithy in Arnsdorf, Lower Bavaria, and successfully guided it into the 20th century. His son, Johann Baptist II, kept pace with the demands of the age, introducing specialization in the dawning age of motorized agricultural machinery. Johann Baptist's son, Heinz, discovered the potential of compressor technology. 1946, the founding year of BAUER Kompressoren. They needed compressors for the reconstruction of Germany, and it wasn't just there. Demand for the high-pressure compressors increased all over the world. The Utilis breathing air compressor made it possible for diving to become a sport for the masses. Hans Bauer's invention shaped a whole new lifestyle. Since then, BAUER has been leading the respiratory air market unchallenged for athletes or for the toughest researchers. In 1976, Hans Bauer handed over the company to his son, Heinz. Heinz Bauer revolutionized the entire compressor industry. Legendary inventions such as the free motion piston are now standard worldwide. The advantage of family-run business is you have smooth transitions by passing the company to the next generation, so you can transfer all your knowledge and experience. Starting in 2000, I introduced my daughter, Monika, to the company management. In 2012, I handed over the company to her in its entirety, who is now the third generation to run the family business as managing director with her husband, Philipp Bayat.
We want to continue to be the technological market leader in the compressor industry by using the most modern design with the highest quality. We will produce completely new technical developments.
Electronic, software, cloud computing.
Electronics, software in the context of digitization, these are the key words with which we stand out from the competition. We generate benefit-driven innovation for our customers in a completely new dimension. In this context, we will continue to expand our global presence in order to be close to our customers. The duo turned machine mechanical engineering into a technology company through standardization, modularization, digitization, and automation. Today, BAUER is a global company that has in the past 10 years doubled its turnover and now has more than 1,200 employees with 40 subsidiaries and branches all over the world. Being one of the first in the compressor industry, we began moving our factories to Industry 4.0 standards early on, with machines that are actively integrated into the order, production, and maintenance processes. Quality consciousness is deep within BAUER's DNA. Hans Bauer's motto was, "Our compressors must function 100%. Every percent less than that cost us 10% and 1 year of competitive edge over the long term." That's why we manufacture our compressors in-house, made by BAUER, made in Germany, in line with state-of-the-art production standards. I'm always very impressed when I see employees who live the values of their company. Here you see that kind of quality consciousness, which is really driving all their actions. I'm really excited about the excitement shown by these workers. New plants are being built. Our production sites are continuously being expanded and modernized. With the latest assembly lines, with the most efficient mechanical manufacturing, using the most modern logistics concepts. Research and development is at the heart of our company. We began the 21st century with a new compressor design, designed according to bionic principles. Highest delivery performance in the smallest space, extremely long-lasting for industrial continuous operations. Our new compressor systems for breathing air and rare gases now have safety integrated, with the monitoring of all important values, including automatic incident management. New on the compressor market, with Bayat, a smartphone becomes a compressor remote control unit. We are pioneers in research on future technologies, such as hydrogen.
BAUER is one of the key players in this market, especially for CNG.
On the way to a CO2-free environment, we are a leader in bridging technologies, such as natural gas, and with our standardized refueling stations.
If we are asked to be of reference to BAUER, we would definitely recommend them.
BAUER products are legendary among the major certification companies.
BAUER seem to make a very good product. I think they've made 2,000-3,000 of these units over the years, and I've never heard a bad thing about any of them.
If a friend would ask me what to buy, I would recommend a BAUER compressor. The big global companies are convinced on the reliability and performance of BAUER systems. This is just a small selection of our renowned customers. Today, we have the largest global distributor and service network in the compressor business, guaranteeing operational safety for all our systems. The Chancellor selected our new compressor as an outstanding example of technological innovation. We also received the highest level of recognition for our natural gas products.
BAUER Kompressoren und der BAUER Tankstelle dann alles Gute.
Our world is in the midst of epochal transformations in creating digital, technical, and ecological advances. To this regard, We at BAUER remain committed to making our technological contributions. BAUER, quality is in our genes.